We gonna see who man enough to pick up the snake and pan the bucket. If if he bitch up, I'm gonna do it. Hey, give the glove. I put that shit in the bucket. Give him the glove. I put that bitch in the bucket.
I got this.
You scared? I put that bitch in the bucket. You scared of that? I forgive it. You got on gloves. That shit can't. Go on. Put that bitch in the bucket. Grab the end. Grab the end. Give the glove. He'll be show you what a man is, nigga.
Fuck that.
Show you what a man is.
You can do whatever the fuck you wanna do. You see? You gotta throw it and shit. I can't see a motherfucking thing you in the motherfucking way. Yes, bro, I'm gonna fuck you up, man. I'm gonna fuck you up. Let's go. I'm fucking this shit.